First, I will be doing the employer. Good afternoon, Mrs. Jones. It's nice to see you. I've been looking forward to our meeting. You asked for a 1-hour meeting, but I just got a call from the CEO and I must be in his office in 10 minutes. So what's on your mind about your career development? And then she would tell me about what's on her mind. Well, I do know that I did look up as well that you are making a little less than the 25th percentile, which I know is not fair to you. I would definitely love to discuss how you would feel you'd be best, how you would feel would best benefit you on either a raise amount or what kind of benefits you would like to be better for you, like better health insurance or better co-pays for your health insurance, a better premium. I do know that the CEO did only give me a very select amount to give people in raises. Since I am going into his office in 10 minutes, I could talk to him about having a little bit more money to play with to give people raises, because I do believe that more of you deserve better raises than what I am allowed to give at the moment. I know you have made incredible improvement since being here, and I am incredibly proud to have you on our team. I would love to work out some way that would work best for you. I'm not quite sure what else I would say for being the employer. Because I'm not sure exactly how much 3% would be, but I don't think that would really be fair enough to give to that many people in an HR department, raises for the year. So I would definitely try to talk to the CDO about giving a little bit more than that, because his employees deserve more than that if they continue to keep his business afloat. So now I would be doing the role playing of the employee. Hi, Mrs. Hernandez. Yes, I wanted to talk to you about my career development. I know I have been here for a while, for 5 years, and I have made improvement. I'm now managing 5 people. But yeah, like you mentioned, I did realize that my current salary is in the 25th percentile versus overall of looking at all the different people that earn in my job field, my job position. And I would definitely be interested in either more benefits, better health insurance, maybe education reimbursement, wellness, reimbursement stuff. We could do reimbursements for massages, reimbursement for other mental health strategies, and definitely a pay increase would also definitely be nice. But I do understand you being on a tight budget of what you are allowed to give out. I would definitely like to be closer to the 49,000 if possible. I would definitely go talk to the CEO as well if you needed me to. I would definitely love to explain to him how much I have improved and how much I do to help out this company, and how much I appreciate being a part of this team and leading everybody in the team that I do. I do understand not being exactly at the 49,000 at the moment, but definitely would be better to be closer to the 49,000. I know that I already have a year of experience. I I have been consistently managing those 5 people. I know that you even said that I could possibly take over your job one day, which I mean, I don't want to do that now, but I could always be leading there one day. If you could figure out about maybe better benefits that we could possibly talk about and improve there, and then yeah, whatever dollar amount that we could get closer to the 49,000, since I'm only making like 42,000 right now. Even like $3,000, $4,000 a year would be nice. I know that's a little hard to do with the budget that you were given, but definitely let me know. Since you're about to go talk to the CEO, maybe you can bring up some of what we talked about to him. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I apologize again for not having a partner. I totally missed that on the announcements. But that is how I would try to negotiate about doing salary. I thank you. I appreciate it.